Guess who I'm cosplaying?
Greetings and salutations. Would you like Slurpee with that? Yeah, I became JD. But also, I have a second prompt. Ta-ta-ta. It's a pew-pew. I can't say. I don't know if I can say the actual word. This might get taken down. Yeah, this is the fit. Got flannel, leather jacket, the pew-pew. Basically, in the jacket, there's this little pocket. And fits. Perfect. I said, 1 second. See? I can't see it. So, like it meant to be yours, I can just go. No! 1 second. Until I fix this top part, I'm just gonna keep it down with safety pins. Yay! But anyways, this is the thing I need to work that. Anyways, yeah, Slurpee. We're gonna sing, shit, what am I singing? Fuck. Freeze Your Brain. That's what I'm singing. I've been through 10 high schools, they start to get blurry. No point planning routes, cause you're gone in a hurry. My dad keeps 2 suitcases packed in the den, so it's only a matter of when. I don't learn the names, don't bother with faces. All I can trust is this concrete oasis. Seems every time I'm about to despair, there's a 7-Eleven right there. Each store is the same, from Las Vegas to Boston. Linoleum aisles that I love to get lost in. I pray I might alter a slush. Yeah, I live for the sweet frozen rush. Freeze your brain. Suck on that straw, get lost in the pain. Happiness comes when everything numbs. Who needs cocaine? Just freeze your brain. Freeze your brain. Care for a hit? Does your mommy know you eat all that crap? Not anymore. When mom was alive, we lived halfway normal. Now it's just me and my dad, we're less formal. I learned to cook pasta, I learned to pay rent. You're planning your future, Veronica Sawyer. You'll go to some college and marry a lawyer. But the sky's gonna hurt when it falls, so you better start building some walls. So I guess the sun's about to run out. Now better subscribe, you motherfuckers, or else I will pew pew you. Ta ta ta.
Peace out, motherfuckers!